Hi, I'm Don with iPlanPort. Today we'll work with a builder contractor to improve 12 areas of their business, reducing expenses and increasing their profit. For this demonstration, we'll use the following metrics. Annual revenue, 7.5 million. Gross profit margin, 30%. Net profit margin, 10%. Now let me show you how making 3% strategic improvement across 12 operational areas can create a substantial financial impact. This will result in a new profit impact of over $1,100,000. That's a 147% increase in profit. Over the next 5 years, this creates an additional profit of over $5.5 million. Here are two ways we can collaborate. Strategy first, profit always.